Hi, it's Anthony here from Breathe Fitness. One question I get asked a lot is how to get your feet into the straps quickly and efficiently, especially when you're quickly going from one move to the other. So I'm going to show you the two ways now of putting your feet in the straps. One is heels in and the other one is toes in, depending on mainly what floor-based exercises you're doing. So I've already got the strap set to mid-calf. That is the strap length for any ground-based exercise. To know mid-calf is that the handle will be just below your kneecap and it will go to the middle of your calf at the bottom of the cradle, and obviously do that standing up. So I'm going to start with getting your heels in the strap. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit facing your anchor point and you want to grab hold of the bottom of your foot cradles with your index finger. You're going to lay all the way back, and then from here you're going to place your heels into the strap, and then you're going to extend the legs out, lay back, so then you're in position ready for any heel-based exercise such as a hamstring curl or something like that. So nice, quick and simple. And the second way of getting your feet in is toes in. So this is if you're going to do ground facing away exercises, things like crunches and pikes. And I see some people put this in so many different ways and it's just not efficient. Their feet fall out, you get soaring in the straps, things like that. So the way to do this, similar to heels in, grab the bottom of the foot cradle, facing your anchor point. Again, lay all the way back and now place this over your toes. And you want feet together, knees together, so you're creating tension there. Bring your arm to one side, turn, and then you're in position, ready for whatever it is you're doing. So it's a really quick and easy way of putting your feet into the straps. I hope that helped you. If so, please give the video a like and subscribe for many more TRX exercises. Otherwise, I'll see you soon for another video. Take care.